So this is the video for the answer key for week 11 of the 4th grade reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So if we have a Venn diagram, we have characteristics of the moon, characteristics of the earth, and then what do they share in common? Well, where would we put rocky surface? That would be number 3, because both the moon and the earth are rocky surfaces. Aristotle, he was the astronomer who believed that Earth was the center, and he based this just off some observations he made of looking at the sky. In order from the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. My very eager mother just served us nuggets. Omnivores, they eat both plants and animals. That's us. Looking at the same Venn diagram, which one has active volcanoes? Well, that would just be Earth. Ptolemy, he also believed the Earth was the center of the solar system, but he also figured out that he thought objects orbited Earth in spiral paths. So he thought this because he noticed other planet phases. So he was kind of noticing some more things, still not quite there. He still believed the Earth was the center, but he's kind of making more observations than Aristotle was. From smallest to largest, so that's going backwards of Jason sat under 98 vicious monsters munching. So Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. Cheetah has long, powerful legs. That's a structural. It's part of his body, part of his structure. Apollo 11 was the mission that was sent to the moon to retrieve samples. Copernicus, he was the first to kind of come up with that the sun is actually the center of our universe. And he based this off mathematical equations. Those thin, wispy, like horsehair, remember Cirrus the horse, very high up in the sky. A giraffe has a long neck to help it reach leaves. Again, that's structural, it's part of his body. You need to draw the next 2 phases. So right here we have number 1 is waxing crescent, 2 is first quarter, 3 is waxing gibbous, 4 is full moon, 5 is waning gibbous, 6 is third quarter. So you should have drawn number 7 as waning crescent, and 8 when we don't see the moon at all, that's new moon. Galileo also believed, he kind of built upon Copernicus's ideas, and he also believed that the sun was the center, but he used a telescope and made observations. The puffy white clouds that you see on a fair weather day, those are cumulus clouds. And then birds migrating south for the winter, that's behavior, right? Those are your actions, your behavior. All right, hopefully you guys did well, and I will see you next time. Bye.